The Rudy the Red-Nosed Reindeer. How cute is that, right? Look at him. How fun. So we're gonna give you a couple different ways that you can make him using tools or using more like found items. Sorry, I forgot.
Do you want to start over?
No, every box comes with the instructions, a link to the video, and everything that you need for inside. And what we will do on these videos is show you some extra options if you want to go with the extra options, especially if you're making a bunch of them. It's kind of fun to buy en masse, have a party where everybody brings something for one ornament for like 10 people and teaches everybody to do it. So that's kind of a fun way to do it. So that way we'll show you what you can get to make everything easier. So in the box, you have the tiny little baby of this one. So we sell this, and our awesome yarn department made these. How cute is that? Bernat yarn. But this way, if you're gonna do like a whole family of these guys, this is your way to go. Because then you get the whole pom-pom maker set, and you can make a whole village, right? You could have little parties. No, okay, so. And the other important thing is you need to have good scissors. These are our Kai scissors, and they need to be nice and sharp so that you get a nice fluffy ball. It doesn't look like crazy unless you want crazy. I happen to like crazy. I think that they're cuter, but that's just a me thing. All right, so it's pretty nice and simple because it comes with one square, and what you need to do is cut it down to look like this. So there's no magic formula on how to do this. But again, as I want to make sure I remind you, no fabric scissors on your cardboard. It's a big no-no. So it is just, like I said, no rhyme or reason, because you're going to be cutting on the yarn on the outside of the cardboard. So the size of the inside isn't super important. You just need it to be able to tie your knot to make your pom-pom. All right, so then you have a little doorway there for you. So you want to start, one of them's already started with your yarn. Let me put this guy off to the side, so. Right, so what I've been told is it's best if you try to evenly layer it all the way across your cardboard, because if you make it huge in the middle, then your ball will look all wonky. So either side okay to start on. All right, and then just wind. I should have done this with the yarn on the other side, but you guys understand that. Try to make it nice and even, and then on the end, it looks like this. All right, so it's all done, and you can find your hole here, and you want to take off 1 yard because you need that to wrap around and for your handle? No, where you hang it. All right, so from middle of your chest, end of your arm, it's about 1 yard. Cut that off, then you need to find your hole. Stick it through. If you see these guys falling off, just make sure you get them, whoop, you get them all looped on. Right. Making sure ends are even. This side. Do a nice snug knot. Tight. If you do it too loose, then all of your little pieces, once you cut the edges, they'll fall out. And then while this is still on your cardboard, because man, if you pull it off, chances of finding all those loops are almost none. Oh, look what I did wrong. Don't be like me.
Stop.
So now your legs are done, and you can kind of decide which angle you like best for the face. What do you think? Oh, does he look a little challenged? So kind of however you want it. And also, because it is the bottom, if you don't like these guys go out so far, if you don't like it, then of course you can always pull them off and reglue them, but remember it is going to hang, so it's probably not as big of a deal. But how cute it is it that you can make him look like he's just a little new walker. Put that on there, and then you can, whoop, that's funny. Then you can decide how big you want your loop to be and cut off your excess. And then you've got your little reindeer. Thank you so much for joining us.